convert angle measure from degree to radian, ang gagawin lang natin is we just need to multiply the given degree, okay, the given degree measure by pi over 180, and that will give you the radian measure. For our first example, convert 60 degree to radian measure. Again, to convert degree to radian, ang gagawin lang natin is we just need to multiply the given degree measure by pi over 180. Now, from our given problem, ang degree measure natin is equal to 60. Okay? Or 60 degree. Then, i-multiply lang natin yan by pi over 180, and that will give us 60 pi over 180. Of course, we can simplify this one. Then, if we are going to simplify 60 pi over 180, that is 1/3 pi radian or pi over 3 radian. So, that means 60 degree is equal to 1/3 pi radian. For our next example, convert 90 degree to radian measure. Again, to convert degree to radian, ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply lang natin ang ating given degree measure by pi over 180. So, from our given problem, ang degree measure natin is equal to 90 degree. Then, i-multiply lang natin yan by pi over 180. That will give us 90 pi over 180. Then, of course, we can simplify this one. Now, the simplified form of 90 pi over 180 is equal to 1/2 pi radian or pi over 2 radian. So, therefore, 90 degree is just equal to 1 over 2 pi radian or pi over 2 radian. That's our final answer. Now, for our next example, here convert 75 degree to radian measure. Again, to convert degree to radian, we just need to multiply the given degree measure by pi over 180. Since sa ating given problem, ang given degree measure is equal to 75 degree, then i-multiply lang natin yan by pi over 180. That will give us 75 pi over 180. Then, of course, we can simplify this one. Ang simplified form ni 75 pi over 180 is equal to 5 over 12 pi radian or 5 pi over 12 radian. So, that's our final answer. So, that means 75 degree is equal to 5 over 12 pi radian or 5 pi over 12 radian. So, that's the answer for our third example. Now, let's proceed to our next example. So, our fourth example, convert 240 degree to radian measure. Again, okay, to convert degree to radian, ang gagawin lang natin, we just need to multiply the given degree by pi over 180. Now, sa ating given example, ang degree measure natin is 240 degree. So, i-multiply lang natin yan by pi over 180, and that will give us 240 pi over 180. Of course, we can still simplify this one. Ang simplified form ni 240 pi over 180 is equal to 4 over 3 pi or 4/3 pi radian or 4 pi over 3 radian. So that means 240 degree is equal to 4 over 3 pi radian or 4 pi over 3 radian. So that's the answer for example number 4. Then let's proceed to our fifth and last example. Now here, convert 150 degree to radian measure. Again, to convert degree to radian, ang gagawin lang natin is we just need to multiply the given degree, okay, the given degree measure by pi over 180. Now sa ating problem, ang degree measure natin is equal to 150 degree. Then, i-multiply lang natin yan by pi over 180. And that will give us 150 pi over 180. Now, take note, we can still simplify this one. Now, ang simplified form, yung 150 pi over 180 is equal to 5 over 6 pi radian or 5 pi over 6 radian. So therefore, 150 degree is equal to 5 over 6 pi radian or 5 pi over 6 radian. So that's how, you convert degree measure to radian measure. Again, ang gagawin lang natin to convert degree to radian measure, we just need to multiply the given degree by pi over 1/8. Now, to convert angle measure from radian to degree, ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply lang natin ang ating given radian measure by 180 over pi. Now, para sa ating unang example, here we need to convert pi over 9 radian to degree measure. Now, again, to convert radian to degree, ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply lang natin kung ano yung ating given na radian measure by 180 over pi. So, dito ang ating radian measure is equal to pi over 9. Then, i-multiply lang natin yan by 180 over pi. So, dito kung mapapansin natin, if you're going to multiply pi over 9 and 180 over pi, ma-cancelled out si pi. So, ang matira na lang is 180 over 9. So, if we're going to divide, kung i-divide natin si 180 over 9, that is equal to 20 degrees. So, that means pi over 9 radian is equal to 20 degrees. Okay? So, that's the answer for example number 1. Now, proceed tayo sa ating next example. So, here, convert pi over 4 to degree measure. Again, to convert radian to degree, ang gagawin lang natin is we just need to multiply the given radian measure by 180 over pi. So, dito, ang radian measure natin is equal to pi over 4. Then, i-multiply lang natin yan by 180 over pi. So, as you can see, if we are going to multiply pi over 4 by 180 over pi, ma-cancelled si pi. Okay? So, that means, ang matira na lang is 180 over 4. Now, if you're going to divide natin si 180 by 4, so that is equal to 45 degrees. So, that means pi over 4 radian is equal to 45 degrees. Okay? So, let's proceed to our third example. So, here, convert 3 pi over 4 to degree measure. Okay? Again, to convert radian to degree, don't forget na ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply lang natin ang ating radian measure by 180 over pi. So, dito, from our given example, ang ating radian measure is equal to 3 pi over 4. Then, i-multiply lang natin yan by 180 over pi. As you can see dito, if we are going to multiply the 2, so ma-cancelled, okay? Ma-cancelled si pi. Okay, so ang matira na lang is, so we have 540. So if we're going to multiply 3 times 180, that is equal to 540. Then 4 times 1, that's equal to 4. So dito, if we are going to divide 540 by 4, that is equal to 135 degrees. So that means si 3 pi over 4 radian is equal to 135 degrees. So that's the answer for example number 3. Now let's proceed to our next example. So dito, convert pi over 8 to degree measure. So again, don't forget guys, so if we are going to convert radian to degree, ang gagawin lang natin is we just need to multiply. Okay, multiply the given radian measure by 180 over pi. Okay, so dito, sa ating given example, ang ating radian measure is equal to pi over 8. Okay, so i-multiply natin yan by 180 over pi. So, as you can see dito, if you are going to multiply the 2, so cancelled, okay, ma-cancelled out si pi. So, that means ang matira is 180 over 8. Okay? So, that means if we are going to simplify this one, if we are going to divide 180 over pi, okay, so that gives us with 22.5 degrees. So, that means si pi over 8 is equal to 22.5 degree. Okay? So let's proceed to our fifth example. So here, we need to convert 11 pi over 6 radian to degree measure. So again, don't forget, to convert radian to degree, ang gagawin lang natin is we just need to multiply, okay? We just need to multiply the given radian measure by 180 over pi. So dito, sa ating given example, ang ating radian measure is equal to 11 pi over 6 radian. So, i-multiply natin yan by 180 over pi. As you can see dito, if you are going to multiply the 2, canceled out si pi. So, ang matira na lang is, if you are going to multiply 11 over 180, that's equal to 1,980. Okay? Then 6 times 1, that's equal to 6. So, if we are going to simplify this one, 1,980 divided by 6, that is equal to 330 degree. Okay, so that means 11 pi over 6 radian is equal to 330 degree. Okay, so that's the answer for our fifth and final example.